Obtaining accurate service data is an essential part of any patient lift maintenance programme. The Intelligent Smart Monitor from Oxford is a state-of-the-art on-board diagnostic tool that provides invaluable operational data for both the user and service engineer. Compatible with the majority of Oxford mobile hoists, the system is fully reprogrammable to allow retrofits on existing fleets. This functionality ensures Oxford patient lifts successfully achieve maximised product lifetime, simple service and maintenance, and above all, improved patient safety. For more information on compatible lifts, please refer to the Service and Installation Manual, or alternatively, contact Jones Healthcare for guidance. The Smart Monitor control box has a unique user handset and is not backwards compatible with previous models. The correct user handset is identified by a small spanner symbol as shown. The onboard LCD panel provides a visual breakdown of operational data. This data is broken out into 4 key elements and is accessed via a quick press of the redundant Raise button. The first data point, identified by a two-way arrow symbol, represents the total number of lift cycles completed under maximum load. This figure should not be classed simply as the number of actuations completed. Unlike other products on the market, the Oxford Smart Monitor factors in maximum load to provide a truly accurate representation of use. The second data point simply identifies the total work completed by the actuator in amps/seconds. The third value indicates the number of lift overloads. If a user has attempted to lift over and above the hoist safe working load, it is detected and recorded by the software. The final data point is a service counter showing the number of days elapsed since the last service and when the next service is due. In addition to this operational data, the Smart Monitor provides a 3-stage battery level indicator, helping to ensure your lift is always powered and ready for use. For added safety, redundant controls enable your lift to be operated independently of the handset. These controls are intended for emergency use only and should not be used as an alternative to the handset.